So today we are going to learn thread cutting gear train calculation for lathe machine. So we can cut the threads with the help of lathe machine. For that we have to set a gear train. So for that the problems are like this. The lathe is supplied with change of gear set from 20 to 120 teeth in steps of 5 teeth and additional gear of 120 teeth. The problem is like this. Calculate the gear train for cutting the 8 TPI pitch on workpiece if the lead screw of the lathe is 6 TPI. So for that the formula is IG, that is gear ratio, is given by drivers divided by driven. It is the ratio of drivers to the driven. So that is pitch of the thread being cut on workpiece divided by pitch of the lead screw of the lathe. So what is the formula? Formula is pitch of the thread being cut on the workpiece divided by pitch of the lead screw of the lathe. So that is in the problem, pitch of the workpiece being cut, that is 8 TPI, and pitch of the lead screw is 6 TPI. So that is 8 TPI divided by 6 TPI. Both the pitches, TPI means thread per inch, both pitch are in inches, so we can take the direct ratio. For this the pitch is given in terms of inches or mm. Pitch is given in terms of inches or mm. Both pitch are given in same unit, then we can take direct ratio. So for this pitch is given in same unit, so 8 by 6 means 4 by 3. 8 by 6 means 4 by 3. So ratio is 4 by 3. So if we multiply by 10, then we get 40 by 30, means driver gear set is of 40, having 40 teeth, and driven gear set is having 30 teeth. Why we multiply this by 10? Because available gear set in the lathe are from 20 to 120 teeth in the steps of 5 teeth, means the gear set having gears having teeth 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on up to 120, that is in the increment of 5, and additional gear set of 127. So our aim is to convert the ratio in the multiples of to get the gear trains in between 20 to 120, 20 to 120. So when we get the ratio, then we multiply this by same factor, which can get the gear ratio from 20 to 120. So we can multiply it by 10, 20 or by 5. But remember, this must not exceed beyond 120. The value of this always less than 120 and greater than 20, and in the multiply of 20, 25, 30, like this. So I repeat how to solve the problem. That is formula: gear ratio is pitch of the thread being cut on the workpiece divided by pitch of the lead screw of the lathe. So pitch of the thread being cut is given in TPI, that is 8. Pitch of the lead screw is 6. So 8 by 6, that becomes 4 by 3. So is the lowest ratio. So to convert this into in the multiply of 20 to 120. So we multiplied by 10. So it gets 40, 30. So driver gear set is 40 thread, driven gear set is having 30 thread. Thank you.